Hello guys, good day to you all. Here I am, where I am, you might be wondering. So here I am at one of my project. Okay, I'm here in Manigans, okay, in Meghalaya, not Karo Hills. So I will be showing you now my project work. Okay, so yesterday we reached here to my site to take stock of the work progress. So let me now show you. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Okay, from here till there, and that is 19 and a half feet, 19 and a half feet by 15 and a half feet, from this column to that column. Okay, and from this column to that column, master bedroom, and that side is the toilet, and this one now newly excavated foundation extended for the deck, master bedroom deck. Okay, so now the master bedroom from work completed. Now we will be doing the reinforcement work afterward. And now this side, all the other rooms has been completed. Okay, so far we have casted till this portion, and this side remain, still left to be casted. Okay, so let me show you from little bit from far away the all overall overall look. See, it's a big residential project, almost 2400 square feet. This will be the children bedroom. That is a stair to go to the terrace. That person is cut out person. It will be a double hedge ceiling. So let me take you around. See, do you watch it? This building has two different levels of floor. Okay, this one is one level, and that one from here to that one is at a different level. The level difference is 4 feet. This is the staircase portion, this side. Again, let me take you around. This will be guest room, and above that one will be office room, and here to here it will be a balcony. That one where you can see the bamboo is parents room, and in between this one will be the toilet. See, this is the ground floor. So this side, this person, okay, this is the front side of the building. This is front veranda, and that one, the cutout portion below that one will be the sitting room, and this one from here to here, and from this column to this column, it will be a kitchen, and that one, this column to this column, will be the dining room. Have a look. I hope you are enjoying the video. Those who are following my videos, they are aware of this project. I hope so. This is the staircase. It will go like this up, and then this up. Okay, so the video will be a little bit longer, but if you want to see a little bit detail about this project, have patience a little bit and do watch it till the end. Now let me show you from this road portion. The owner will come from that road. Okay, it will be a road later on. Now it's a kacha road like this, and it will go like this. Okay, this side will be a step will be there, and this stockyard, I mean chips stock here, no. So this portion will be the a garage. Okay, car parking. So that's it. The video is getting longer. So I will wind up now for now. Thank you and bye bye. See you in the next project.